At Portside Renewables, we understand that solar projects sometimes require more than simply installing panels. For this commercial property in Fall River, Massachusetts, our team was brought in to carefully remove the existing solar system so the building's roof could be fully replaced. Once the new roof was completed, our team returned to reinstall the solar array, making sure the system was properly secured and ready to perform for years to come. The project also provided an opportunity to make several upgrades to the system, including the installation of a new inverter to improve the system's performance and reliability. From the initial removal and coordination, through the roof replacement and the final reinstallation, our team worked carefully to protect the existing equipment, while ensuring everything was properly installed and brought back online. It's just another example of how Portside Renewables helps commercial property owners maintain, upgrade, and get the most out of their solar investments.